Hello everybody, so today I will talk about inequality. Suppose that a/b is greater than 0, 2a plus b is smaller than or equals to number 3. We need to prove that 2 over the square root of a plus 3 plus 1 over the square root of b plus 3 is greater than or equal to 3 over 2. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to know this inequality. That's about Cauchy, Bunyakovsky, and Schwarz. And we just apply in this way. We put number 1 multiply with the square root of a plus 3, and we have number 1 multiply with the square root a plus 3, and 1 multiply with the square root b plus 3, everything to the power of 2 is smaller than or equal to, we have number 1, and number 1, so we have 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. We have square root, and square root, so the square root we have the power 2. Next, this one you got about number 3. Because we have the power 2 with the square root, so they cancel the square root. So we have number 3, and number 3, so you got about number 9. Next, we have this formula. So we will apply this 2a plus b, we change for number 3. And you got about 36 in here. So it means we have this one is smaller than or equal to 36. Now we can cancel number 1 in here. Then we put the square root in the both sides. And we can get this one is smaller than or equals to number 6. Next, we need to consider about this equation. In here we have number 2, we can separate them into 1 over the square root a plus 3 plus 1 over the square root a plus 3. Next, we have this inequality 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c is greater than or equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1, everything to the power of 2, and we have a plus b plus c in here. So we will apply for this situation. In here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, so you got about 3 to the power of 2, and in here we have the same in denominator, so it should be greater than 3 to the power of 2 over 6, and you got about 9 over 6, and you got about 3 over 2. So the last one, to get this inequality in equals, so A should be equal to B equal to number 1. That's the end. Thank you for watching.